Storms can be scary. When the sky turns dark and the wind starts to howl, it's natural to feel a little uneasy. The sound of thunder, the flash of lightning, and the pounding rain can make anyone feel nervous, especially when you're at home with your loved ones. For many families, storms bring a sense of uncertainty and worry about what might happen next. Storms bring more than just loud noises. They can unleash strong winds that shake the trees and rattle the windows, heavy rain that pours down in sheets, and sometimes even snow that blankets everything in white. These powerful forces of nature can arrive suddenly, leaving little time to react. Sometimes, storms can damage homes and make it hard to stay safe. Broken windows, fallen branches, and flooding can turn a comfortable house into a dangerous place. Power outages are common, and roads can become blocked or slippery. That's why it's so important to get ready before a big storm comes. Preparing ahead of time can make all the difference in keeping your family safe and your home protected. Hurricane season and winter storms can come quickly, often with little warning. Weather alerts on TV or your phone might give you a few hours or days to get ready, but sometimes, storms change direction or grow stronger without much notice. If we prepare early, we can protect our homes and our families from the worst effects of these storms. Simple actions, like installing storm shutters or reinforcing doors, can help prevent damage and give you peace of mind. Many families worry about what might happen during a storm. Children may feel scared, and adults might be anxious about keeping everyone safe. But taking steps before the storm arrives helps us feel calm and in control. Making a plan together, gathering emergency supplies, and talking about what to do can help everyone feel more prepared and less afraid. Storm-proofing your house is a smart way to stay safe. You don't have to be an expert or spend a lot of money to make your home stronger. Simple things like sealing windows, reinforcing doors, and placing sandbags outside can make a big difference. These steps help keep water and wind out, and make your home a safer place to ride out the storm. I've helped many families do this, and anyone can learn these simple steps. Whether you live in an area that gets hurricanes, blizzards, or thunderstorms, being prepared is always a good idea. Let's look at what stormproofing means, why it matters, and how you can get your home ready for any storm that comes your way. With the right preparation, you can face any storm with confidence and keep your loved ones safe. Stormproofing means getting your house ready to handle bad weather. It helps protect your home from damage caused by wind, rain, or snow. If you stormproof your home, you make it safer for your family. This can mean small changes, like closing windows tightly. It can also mean bigger steps, like fixing your roof or trimming trees in the yard. Stormproofing keeps water and wind out, and keeps your home strong. You don't need special tools or skills to start stormproofing. Many steps are easy and low cost. It's all about checking your home and making smart choices. A little effort now can save you from big problems later. Stormproofing is for everyone, whether you live in a city, suburb, or the country. Windows are a weak spot during storms. Strong wind can break glass. Heavy rain can leak in and cause water damage. It's important to protect your windows before a storm starts. One easy way is to close and lock all windows. For hurricanes, use storm shutters or cover windows with plywood. For winter storms, check for gaps and use weather stripping to keep out cold air and snow. You can also use clear plastic film over windows in winter. This adds an extra layer and keeps your home warm. Make sure your curtains or blinds close tightly in case of broken glass. Taking time to prepare your windows will keep your home safe and dry no matter what the weather brings. Doors are like shields for your house. They stand between your family and the outside world, acting as the first line of defense against harsh weather, intruders, and even noise. When a storm is brewing or the wind is howling, a strong door can make all the difference in keeping your home safe and comfortable. That's why it's so important that your doors are strong and able to close tightly. A flimsy or poorly fitted door can let in wind, rain, or even snow, making your home less secure and less energy efficient. Take a moment to test your doors. Do they feel solid when you close them? Do they latch securely, or do they rattle in the frame? Before a storm arrives, always check that all your doors latch and lock properly. This simple step can prevent wind from forcing the door open or water from seeping inside. Make it a habit to walk through your home and double-check every exterior door, especially if you know bad weather is on the way. Look closely at the bottom and sides of each door. Are there any gaps where you can see light coming through or feel a draft? Even small openings can let in wind, rain, or pests. Gaps can also make it harder to keep your home warm in winter or cool in summer, leading to higher energy bills. For extra safety during hurricanes or strong storms, consider adding a deadbolt lock or a sturdy metal security bar. These additions make it much harder for wind, or anyone else, to force the door open. Deadbolts are easy to install and provide an extra layer of protection, giving you peace of mind when the weather turns rough. In colder months, weather stripping is your best friend. Apply it around the edges of your doors to block out cold air, snow, and even dust. Weather stripping is inexpensive and easy to install, but it can make a big difference in keeping your home cozy and reducing your heating bills. If you live in a particularly windy or rainy area, installing a storm door is a smart investment. Storm doors add an extra barrier against the elements, helping to keep out wind-driven rain and debris. They also provide extra insulation, making your home more energy efficient year-round. Don't forget to check the hinges and frames of your doors. Over time, hinges can become loose or rusty, and frames can develop cracks or weak spots. Tighten any loose screws and replace damaged hardware to ensure your doors stay secure, even during the strongest storms. If you notice anything that looks weak or damaged, like a cracked frame, a wobbly hinge, or a soft spot in the wood, fix it right away. Small repairs now can prevent bigger problems later and help your doors stand up to whatever nature throws at them. For a quick and easy fix, you can roll up a towel and place it at the bottom of your door to block any gaps. Draft stoppers are also available and can be used year-round to keep out cold air, dust, and even insects. These simple solutions are especially helpful if you're not able to make permanent repairs right away. Taking these small steps to prepare your doors can make a big difference in how safe and comfortable your home feels during a storm. By making sure your doors are strong, secure, and well sealed, you're helping to protect your family and keep everyone safe, no matter what the weather brings. Remember, a well-prepared door is more than just an entryway. It's a shield that keeps your loved ones safe and your home secure. The roof is your home's first line of defense against the elements. It stands between you and everything nature can throw at your house. Rain, wind, snow, hail, and even the harsh rays of the sun. That's why making sure your roof is in top shape before storm season arrives is one of the most important things you can do to protect your home and your family. Start by giving your roof a thorough inspection. Walk around your home and look up at the shingles. Are any of them missing, cracked, curling, or loose? Even a single damaged shingle can let water seep in, leading to bigger problems down the road. If you're comfortable and it's safe, you can use a ladder to get a closer look, but never take risks. If you're unsure, call a professional roofer to inspect it for you. If you spot any issues, don't wait. Fix or replace damaged shingles right away. Small repairs now can save you from much bigger headaches later, like leaks, mold, or even structural damage. Sometimes a simple patch or a few new shingles is all it takes to restore your roof's strength. A strong, well-maintained roof acts as a shield, keeping out rain, snow, and wind. It helps maintain your home's temperature, prevents drafts, and keeps your living space comfortable no matter what the weather is doing outside. But don't just check the outside. Head up to your attic or the top floor and look for signs of trouble inside. Water stains, damp spots, or even a musty smell can be clues that water is sneaking in somewhere. If you notice any of these warning signs, it's time to act. Water stains or damp patches on your ceiling or walls usually mean your roof needs attention. Ignoring these signs can lead to mold growth, damaged insulation, and costly repairs. Another key step is to keep your gutters and downspouts clear. When leaves, twigs, or debris clog up your gutters, water can back up and seep under your roof's edge, causing leaks and rot. Clean them out regularly, especially before and after storms, to make sure water flows away from your home as it should. If your home has a flat roof, pay special attention to drainage. Flat roofs can collect water, and standing water can quickly lead to leaks or even structural problems. Make sure all drains are clear, and water can flow off the roof easily. In snowy climates, heavy snow can really weigh down any roof, putting stress on the structure. If snow piles up, use a roof rake to gently remove it from the edges. This helps prevent ice dams and reduces the risk of collapse, especially during long, harsh winters. Taking these steps now means you'll be ready when the next storm hits. A well-cared-for roof keeps your home dry, comfortable and safe, no matter what the weather brings. By staying proactive, you can avoid costly repairs and enjoy peace of mind all year long. Your yard can be a big help or honestly, a big danger during storms. So, take a walk around your home and look for things that could blow away or even break windows. Put away or tie down outdoor furniture, toys and grills. Trim trees and bushes so branches don't fall on your house. Also, check for dead or weak branches and cut them off. Rake up leaves and clear out gutters and drains to stop water from pooling near your house. If you can, store tools, bikes and garden decorations in a shed or garage. And make sure fences and gates are strong and locked. A tidy, secure yard really makes a big difference when storms arrive. Every family needs an emergency kit. This kit should have the things you need if the power goes out or you have to leave home. Start with water, at least 1 gallon per person per day for 3 days. Pack food that does not need to be cooked. Be sure to include a flashlight, batteries, and a first aid kit. Don't forget any medicines you need. Add blankets, warm clothes, and important papers in a waterproof bag. A battery-powered radio lets you hear weather updates. Oh, and add some cash, extra phone chargers, and a few toys or books for kids. Keep your kit in a spot everyone can find. Check your kit every season, and replace old items as needed. Stormproofing doesn't have to be hard. Make a checklist of the steps you need to take for your home. Ask everyone in the family to help out. Kids can gather flashlights or put away toys in the yard. Talk to your neighbors too. Sometimes you can help each other prepare. If you have pets, make sure you have food, water, and a safe place for them as well. Stay informed by watching the news or using weather apps. Sign up for local alerts so you know when storms are coming. Practice what to do if you need to take shelter or leave your home. Working together makes stormproofing easier and keeps everyone safe. Getting ready before a storm is the best way to protect your home and family. When you prepare early, you feel calm and ready. You don't have to rush or worry when bad weather comes. Stormproofing stops small problems from becoming big ones. It can save you money and keep your family safe. Even small steps like checking windows and doors make a big difference. Don't wait until the last minute. Start now, and you'll be glad you did. Remember, being ready is always better than being sorry. Take care and make your home stormproof today.